On today's episode of Moto Cheese.
What's up, mini truck? Now it's time to get back onto this pontoon boat. I don't know if you guys realize, but I'm coming at you with 4K Moto Cheese in 4K. I also have a different recording setup, so let me know how you like it. Give me some response down below in the comments. Doesn't look like we leaked any oil out of that outdrive, so let's keep our fingers crossed and see if everything stays in there. If you're wondering what my new setup is, it's actually a GoPro Hero 5 Black on a headband. Since the internal microphone on the GoPro sucks so bad, I put a little lapel mic hanging, pointing down. It doesn't look as cool as my video glasses, but oh yeah, bad connection. Felt the heating up. I'm gonna play with my Johnson.
That's what she said.
Everybody's been waiting for me to play with my Johnson.
That's what she.
Come on, Cheesy, you're better than that. Like a good skeeter breeding ground right there. Get some grease. What do you think, my little CRF 50? Pretty cool, huh? Put a China motor on it. Lined it right up. Let me grab some Never Sees. I already prepped all the other bolts. This stuff is nasty when you get it on your fingers, so use it sparingly because it will get all over. I don't know why I'm bothering doing this, because if this fails, I'm just gonna have to get another outboard. Let's put this down, reattach the shift rod. Starting to look like an outboard. Yes, I am gonna clean that, sand it a bit, and repaint. Don't worry about that. Wow, that is gonna be tough to get this back in there. Holy cow, that's got a hell of a detent spring. Hoping you guys get a better video being 4K. The only thing I kind of really don't like is having it up over my head now. But maybe it's a better view. Oh, okay. That button was out. Oh, that's about right. I'm going to choose a needle nose vice grip for this job. I didn't really change anything, so it should technically, everything should line up. I shouldn't have to adjust any of this linkage. Well, I think I got it started. Oh yeah. All right, now I can lift her back up. Finish tightening them bolts. Now, drop her back down. Make sure you didn't pinch any hoses or wires. Hope them carburetors aren't bad. I think I might have drained them out. Maybe. It's hot out today. There's a fuel tank I got. Neptune 6-gallon. On the picture it showed it had all the fittings, and I thought it showed that it had the gauge, but this is the cheapest one I could find, and it was still expensive. These things are money. I'm gonna start covering this bad boy too. Got to get mini truck cleaned off a bit. Got some backed up projects going on. Get this gas tank put together so we can do a little water test. Bought this kit at Wally World. It's a big hose. Not very long though. Guess these will get strapped on the back along with the batteries. Just make it more difficult to work on, of course, but it really probably is the best spot. That's where it looks like they were originally. There. Huh, it's leaking already. Gotta love it. Isn't there a way to change that O-ring? I think that's what it is. This thing's kind of old. Listen to the sound of my people. It's so hard, it's like plastic. Kind of seems easier just to buy another one. Oh my god. Wow. Well guys, looks like I gotta find another end. Damn it. Kinda seems easier just to buy another one.
I know we've got that other thing. You're still working on that, right? Great. So secret. We've got to hide it under 1,000 tons of reinforced concrete.
Well, enjoy yourself. Evil saints in my brain.
We're looking for high net worth individuals.
Ha! Bet you didn't think they had one here, did you?
Listen, this is Tony Prince. I'll cut straight to the chase. I heard you were a savvy investor in shop. I'm not.
Oh, that's it. I'm taking it back.
You want a piece of cheese, huh? Oh my god, the traffic was terrible. Gee, I hope this one doesn't leak. Oh, no leaks. Damn corrosion, huh? And we wait. Well, you think it's gonna fire up? Almost there. Gotta get it up to at least here. There we go. I think my booster pack might be dead. It can't be that dead. There's direct. Let's see if it's any better. Nah. She dead. Well, I did some mic correction. Let's see if this works. Hopefully there's no tick noise. And it's a little bit clearer, a little bit louder. So don't be alarmed. Let's see if this cranks over first, huh? Put the big battery. I don't understand it. This thing should be whipping, and whipping it good. It did when I put it away. What could possibly have changed? A little better. Still sounds a little funky. Ooh, did you hear that? Definitely getting fuel. Maybe not the good stuff, but I think it might be. Maybe I gotta drain them because they smell a little bad. I'll drain them. They're easy to get to. Doink, doink. Really? I didn't have that on? Nice. I got it running, but apparently I didn't have it on. So let's see if I can get it started again. Sounds healthy to me. But I don't think the thermostat's even in there. The water's pumping right out without even getting warmed up. So that's my guess. And it's raining out. It's raining. It does run.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on motocheese.com. Thanks for watching.